Ta-da! Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Spray everything down real nice and make it look like brand new. Ta-da! We finally got our grates in and new burners. Hopefully everything fits perfect. We shall see. Oh yeah, it's shorts weather. Look at them legs. Look at them bird legs. I ain't never seen a finer set of legs on a chicken than right here. All right. Put these to the side. Ooh, it's nasty. We'll see if these works here. Wow. Whoa. This is probably all wrong. How about that? We probably need a new grill. Put that tray back. Put the grease trap back. Slide that back. Finished product, looks a lot better, cleaned her up. Yeah, these things here, I'm gonna have to get some more. Maybe they sell them at Home Depot. I'll show y'all what I changed out. I only changed 2 of the burners because it was a lot of work and I had to put some ingenuity on it. Right there's one of them. Right there's one of them. And the other ones aren't cracked or broken yet, so that's what the old ones look like. And there's 5 of them in a side burner, so, but that's what they all look like. And I replaced these 2, put some new igniters on them, and it was not fun, but we got her done. And then next time I go to Home Depot, I'll see if I can get some of these metal heat shields. And we might be able to get another 500,000 miles out of her. I don't know. But we will find out. So I'm sure we'll be seeing each other again real soon, cooking on here once again. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Glad y'all got to see me again, and See y'all on the next one. Y'all take care. I ain't a doctor, but I play one on YouTube.